Hey, now we're gonna be cooking today.
Yo, so today we're gonna be making some eggs in a minute. Oh shit, I didn't even do that one.
So what are we making today?
No, we're making eggs in a toast.
Toast?
Eggs in a toast. You need one egg.
Yeah.
Just one egg. Need some butter. And I love how that landed straight on my foot.
Ah! Why?
Whatever bread you want. Next, for it, this involves no cutting. Whatsoever. Basically, no cutting.
Okay.
Just like that.
Exactly like that, right? The Ramsay
Here you go.
teaching.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you blow. If you're blowing it enough, it'll just fall through. So, next, you're gonna take your butter. Where did I put the butter?
Ah!
I forgot. I'm sorry. And we're gonna put some butter right in there, right in this very hot skillet that I'm touching with my bare hands. This thing right here. All right. So, take this tablespoon of butter. You need a lot. And throw it in there just like that. You don't want this to be like, you want it to still have a white milky color, like kind of like cum, but not like cum though. And then, once it's like that.
You like cum, don't you?
Man, I thought I was paying you not to talk, motherfucker.
You're paying me?
So anyways, you're gonna take your butter and melt it basically until it turns into gelatin. Not really. Oh, why is my burner off? Who did? Fucking God, bro.
Oh!
So next, take your bread and you're gonna soak both sides first. Side buttery, flip it. There you go. Now you're just gonna leave it on the side.
Oh shit, I wasn't filming some of that.
Sorry, we got a stupid motherfucker behind the camera.
Am I doing this right? Doing a good job.
No. You're just gonna let this cook like so. Just like so with bacon grease. We'll just add a different touch. Touch. Smell that. Bacon grease. This is the grease acquired by bacon. Hence the name. Bacon grease. Take this and just like plop it. Not on the bread, motherfucker. Right in the middle. You can't. That's too much. Don't want too much. That's probably good. So right in the middle. And move your bread around to get it all incorporated. And take the rest, put it right in the middle. That's gonna be to cook the eggs. Now, you don't want your eggs to stick in this. That's one thing you don't want. So maybe it's a tad bit more butter, because you really don't want your eggs to stick, especially when you got a shit pan. So a little bit. I mean, there's nothing wrong with more butter. Stop it. Egg. Oh.
Nigga, you fucked up.
You like eggshell? I do. So, now that that's in there. Once your eggs are in there and it's all bursted like that, that's what you want, actually. You want it to be bursted. And make sure you actually drop your eggshell in there. Make sure you just drop the whole egg in there. It gives it a different flavor, if you know what I'm saying. Just a little bit of a touch. If you add a little bit of that in there. Now, some salt.
You missed like half the pan, dude.
Oh. And then pepper. Alright. Once you got that, it's almost ready to flip, but not quite. Not quite there yet. Oh, it's there. It's fucking there. You take it and you just grab it by the hand. Because you don't want the egg to stick on the other side, if you know what I'm saying. So we're going to take this, and then we're going to take this, and we're just going to do a little, get under there, and then just kind of go back and just... Alright, that's what you want right there. That's what you want right there. Then salt, pepper, fill it for consistency, seasoning good. It's gonna be one good motherfucker. Now, take your bread piece and throw it in there. So you soak up the yolks. And you can feed this to your cameraman.
Thank you for feeding me, sir.
Let me blow it off. There you go.
Thank you,
Hands
sir.
up. Oh.
I'm sorry, sir.
You just gotta eat it. It's not even that hot. Just like a platate.
Placenta?
Man, if you don't shut the fuck up. Take yourself. Whoa, wait a minute.
It's
Take yourself some Valentina hot sauce. And you just put some picante sauce on there, right? And then you just give it a little rub. Trust me. And you just watch. You hear that sizzle? Over here. That's what you want right there. Just like that. Turn the burner off and take it over here. Come here, come here. If it bursts. Oh yeah. Look at that. Give us a little taste test right here.
So how is it?